Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zwift to your treadmill. First, confirm your treadmill's smart capabilities, checking for built-in Bluetooth Smart or ANT Plus support. Next, gather all necessary equipment, such as a footpod or a compatible heart rate monitor. Ensuring your devices are ready helps create a seamless setup for your first virtual run. Preparing properly saves time and ensures an enjoyable experience from the very start. Most modern treadmills feature direct Bluetooth Smart connectivity, allowing for easy pairing with Zwift. If your treadmill is older, an ANT Plus sensor might be the ideal solution, providing robust data transmission. For any treadmill without smart features, a footpod, like the Stryd or Garmin Running Dynamics Pod, effectively translates your movement into in-game speed. These options ensure nearly every runner can join the Zwift community. Begin by turning on your treadmill, allowing it to start broadcasting its signal. Then, open the Zwift application on your chosen device, whether that is a phone, tablet, or computer. Navigate to the Paired Devices screen, which is usually found after logging in or selecting a workout. Look for your treadmill or sensor in the list of available devices, then simply select it to complete the connection. If you encounter any issues, first check that all batteries in your sensors are fresh or fully charged. Ensure a clear line of sight between your treadmill sensor and the device running Zwift to prevent signal interference. Regularly update your Zwift application and any treadmill firmware to benefit from the latest improvements. These simple steps can resolve many common connectivity challenges, ensuring a smooth and consistent running experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.